the winner of the Eurovision Song Contest 2014. The winner is Conchita Wurst from Austria.
For me, it's a privilege. Winning Eurovision was the first thing I've ever won. So I'm not used to winning. I always say my life is a musical. And maybe that's why I just put everything, to music. What is the name of a sexy Latina? And she said, Conchita. I said, well, that's great, let's take it. And this was the story of how the name came about. And my surname, Wurst, I decided to call me that because in German, you use the term Wurst for I don't care, and it's not important. And this is what I wanted to say, it's not important how you look. It's not important where you're from or the color of your skin. It just melts down to the personality. Just create your own world.